Hi. Where are we off to?
New York.
Yay!
Are you excited?
Very much.
Finally. सोच रहे चिक-फil-A का दर्शन कहाँ पर हुआ है?
Airport.
Oreo shake, fries, lemonade, sauces, yeah, and nuggets.
Very tasty.
You like it?
Finally here.
We are here. हम लिटरली पानी के नीचे से जा रहे हैं. पानी के नीचे से.
Pani.
Shanu, we are in Times Square.
I can't believe this. I can't. I'm just mesmerized.
Welcome everyone to the New York City. So we flew from Charlotte around 6:30 p.m. and reached JFK airport around 8 o'clock. We then took a cab from airport to Times Square. You can take a train as well, but that would take a lot of time for us, and we wanted to experience Times Square on the very first day of our arrival without any further time wasting. Now, Times Square is situated in Midtown Manhattan at the intersection of Broadway and 7th Avenue, which is brightly lit by billboards and the advertisement. So you have to take a cab and come down to the 7th Avenue, where you will find Times Square from far behind. I would say 1 hour, 1.5 hours would be sufficient for the Times Square, and you will complete all the shops around it. We took a cab again, which costed around $14 from Times Square to our hotel situated at the 58th Street. We were staying at the Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott. Once you are here, they will charge a $80 deposit fee until you are staying with them, only for the security purpose. And we were staying at the second floor of the hotel. हम लोग कहाँ पे हैं? जिम में क्या कर रहे हैं? पानी भर रहे हैं, बिकॉज होटल वालों ने पानी नहीं दिया. सो हम इस छोटे से बॉटल में पानी भर रहे हैं और इसमें ही भर के लेके जाएंगे. ये इस छोटे से बॉटल में पानी भर रहे हैं हम जिम में. मैरियट में भी रह के क्या क्या करना पड़ता है.
आज रात के पानी का जुगाड़.
आज रात के पानी का जुगाड़. लिटरली दे डोंट प्रोवाइड अस द वाटर, तो हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं. ऐसे.
आजा बच्ची.
चलो बच्ची,
पूल कैसे करते हैं ब्रो?
मैं करती हूँ ना पुल. आफ्टर यू. पानी लेके जा रहे हैं कीमती. मुझे लगता है अपने रूम स्टे से भी ज़्यादा कीमती पानी है ऊपर. हट मैं कर.
ऐसे ही करते हैं ना ब्रो? ओ अच्छा. चलो लोगे हाँ.
बहुत कीमती पानी है ये.
बहुत कीमती पानी है भाई साहब.
दिस इज द जिम. जिम के अंदर पानी है, जिम के बाहर भी नहीं पता होगा था.
Cheers baby.
Cheers.
Oh wow, the lift is also nice.
Second floor, because we are staying on second floor.
Hello baby. Hello.
We are right now at Marriott. लग नहीं रहा है यहाँ का मैरियट नहीं लगता. यहाँ का मैरियट इतना छोटा है ना कि मतलब इंडिया का मैरियट इज लाइक इतना बड़ा रहता है. यहाँ का मैरियट इट इज गुड. इट इज वेरी क्लीन लाइक ऑफ कोर्स मैरियट. लेकिन
I love New York.
आएगा, जल्दी आएगा. व्हाट वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ इज मस्त टीवी है, मस्त लैम्प जला के हम लोग पानी नहीं है. वी वेंट टू जिम और पानी लेके आया. अभी वी आर जस्ट वाचिंग BTS because we are army.
Because BTS is love.
Because we are army. अभी हम BTS के पुराने वीडियोस देख रहे हैं and then we'll sleep.
And
सुबह उठ के we have our plans. कल हमें ब्रेकफास्ट प्लेस पे जाना है. We are going to top of the world. नहीं, top of the rock. It's day 2. Day 1 basically. कल तो हम लोग बस आए थे. So day 1. अभी हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट करने जा रहे हैं. I don't know कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. बाहर निकल के देखते हैं.
we're gonna explore. You see.
We can explore. Okay, so we are going to pick a bagel जो हमारे यहाँ से 0.2 miles दूर है.
We're going to pick a bagel. So pick a bagel is the name of the restaurant.
Yeah, so we are going to pick a bagel.
To pick a bagel.
Pick a bagel. I am loving this. Let me show you the view. Went to pick a bagel at 53rd Street or on the 8th Avenue. Bagel is nothing but a salted donut. There are plenty of options for the cream cheese that goes over the top of the bagel, but for some reason we did not like the filling of the bagel. Or maybe it was just too much for us. So we are going to Central Park. हमने pick a bagel से bagel खाया and now we are going to Central Park. Shanu is taking us through the maps.
And your?
She is my guide. Yep. तो सेंट्रल पार्क पहुंचना है, देखते हैं. न्यूयॉर्क इज अ वाइब. आई ऑलवेज टेल, मैं एक ही बार गई हूँ न्यूयॉर्क, बट आई ऑलवेज टेल न्यूयॉर्क इज अ वाइब.
It is a vibe. Ask me about it.
Staying at Marriott, it would only take 15 minutes for you to reach Central Park, but since we were exploring nearby areas and eateries, it took us around 25 minutes to enter the park. Central Park at that time of our visit was covered with cherry blossoms, and I was so thrilled because it was my first time that I had a chance to see them from so close. It was beautiful.
What is this? This is Golasi. It's ice cream stall. Wait.
Me, you will be mesmerized by how beautiful Central Park is. It has really tall buildings surrounding it, but from the inside, cherry blossoms, waterfall, lakes and the people are the one who has taken over Central Park. We were in search for the Bow Bridge, which is one of the attraction in the park, but it took us almost an hour to even reach the site. But as it says, destination is not important, it's the journey that you enjoy, and the same happened with us. क्या बोलते शानू? बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है डायरेक्शन का, क्योंकि हमें बो ब्रिज हम पिछले 20 मिनट से ढूंढ रहे हैं, बट हमें अच्छी ऐसी चीज़ें मिली हैं, लाइक दिस फ्लावर, वाओ, बट वी आर स्टिल लुकिंग फॉर बो ब्रिज. लेट्स फाइंड इट.
मजा आ रहा है.
In the heart of Central Park, you can find this place which has fountain, lakes where people do boating, and from here only we found that people are doing boating, and that's what we want to do next.
Where is the Bow Bridge?
I don't know, we are searching for Bow Bridge for so long.
Dude, that path is so good.
And yes, you guessed it right. We finally found the Bow Bridge we were looking for so long. Bow Bridge gets its name from its graceful arc shape, which resembles that of an archer's bow. It says that it is one of the oldest cast iron bridge in the Central Park and the second oldest cast iron bridge in the entire United States. The view from here was spectacular, guys. The building far behind, the trees, then the lake, and you standing in the center of all of this. I know it might be a little hassle to find this place, but I definitely recommend this place if you're visiting Central Park.
Yes. So अभी हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
पता नहीं.
हम बोट ढूंढने जा रहे हैं because we wanna have a boating experience.
If possible, in
I
Central
hope.
Park, if possible.
It is possible. ना see people are boating. See.
तो बोट किधर से मिलता पता नहीं है.
So let's find out. ज़्यादा इसमें आत्मनिर्भरता हो गई है यहाँ तो.
कुछ ज़्यादा ही इंडिपेंडेंस हो गया.
सही में यार.
खुद ही चलाओ, डूबो तो खुद ही बचाओ, सब खुद. बस इन लोग को 1 घंटे में बोट लाके दे दो. चलो चलो चले चले चलो चले
चले.
यहाँ से जाने वाले हैं. You can find these white trees all over Central Park. It's beautiful.
Come on, let's go.
anything you can find in Central Park. We are going to St. Patrick's Cathedral. सेंट्रल पार्क कर लिया, बोटिंग कर ली, पूरा घूम लिया. इट्स वेरी बिग, पूरा नहीं घूम सकते हो, बट बहुत मज़ा आया. बट अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं सेंट पैट्रिक कैथेड्रल. एक्साइटेड, सुपर एक्साइटेड. देखते क्या है वहाँ पे.
Halal cart, which you can see right here, is all over the New York City, guys, and I highly recommend to eat chicken over rice, chicken kebab, or actually anything if you want to save money on the food. It is best, and it is maximum $10.
सेंट पैट्रिक कैथेड्रल. इसके अंदर नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि बंद है कोविड की वजह से.
तो हम 30 मिनट तक वॉक किया है हमने खूबसूरती देखने के लिए और पैर की बैंड बजाने के लिए. धन्यवाद.
इट्स ब्यूटीफुल दो, स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा है.
So 50th Street, which also has St. Patrick's, is filled with shopping centers where you can find all the brands from Zara, Hollister to the Gucci and Versace. So we had a little hour shopping spree where we shopped from Hollister and Zara.
We are in Bar Kogi Korean fried chicken restaurant. It's Korean and we are super excited. Excited?
It is tasty. It has fish cakes. Fish cake दिखाओ. This is a fish cake. We have ramyeon. We have rice cake. Nice.
Yes, this is me. अगर आप पहचान नहीं पा रहे हो तो मैं ही हूँ ये. और ये मेरी बहन आंटी जी. अपन न्यूयॉर्क में से घूम रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि बारिश हो रही, छाता एक ही है.
We are protecting this, not ourselves, I swear.
बैग्स प्रोटेक्ट करना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है अपने लिए. So we are going on top of the rock. It's inside NBC studio, which looks like something else.
Top of the Rock is on 49th Street, and you have to enter the NBC building where you will find separate path for the top of the rock. So it is the observation deck, just like the Empire State and One World Observatory, which consists of 3 floors from where you can see the view, which is 68th, 69th and the 70th. We were on the 68th floor initially, and then we were going up on the 69th.
We are going ऊपर के ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे.
So I booked my ticket beforehand for the sunset, but since it was cloudy that day, we could not experience much of it, yet we did see the sun setting down. I chose Top of the Rock because from here you can see almost all of the New York City. New York City consists of 5 boroughs, which is Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens and Staten Island. And you can see all of them from here. The view of Central Park is just amazing. And while looking at it, you can feel how huge the Central Park is and how small you are. Let's go inside and see the Central Park, how it looks. Isn't it beautiful, guys?
We are at the top of the rock. That means you can see almost everything in New York.
We stayed at the top of the rock, I think almost for the 3 hours because we want to see the sunset, and we also wanted to see the nightlife, how it looks, how the New York City looks and feel when it is all black and the lights comes up. And as you can all see, it looks spectacular.
So हम टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड क्यों बोलती
Top of the rock.
टॉप ऑफ द रॉक के नीचे आ चुके हैं. इट वॉज ब्यूटिफुल. हमने सनसेट भी देखा, हमने लाइट्स भी देखी. लाइक पूरा डस्क बोलते, डॉन बोलते हैं, अंधेरा होता है.
Dusk till dawn.
छोड़ दो, कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं, पूरा देखा. एंड अभी हम लोग रॉकफेलर सेंटर पे मेरे एक दोस्त का वेट कर रहे हैं. बट इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. लेट मी शो इट.
Beautiful.
New York is filled with lights, tall buildings, glasses. मजा आया. टॉप ऑफ द रॉक में मजा आया.
बहुत
मुझे तो
ज़्यादा
बहुत
मजा आया.
पूरा व्यू दिखा. लाइक
2 घंटे अपन वहीं पे बैठे
पूरा
थे.
व्यू.
It was
लाइक
good.
क्वींस, ब्रॉन्क्स, ब्रुकलिन सब दिख गया.
We finished our journey at the vessel, which is located at the Hudson Yard, and with our $1 pizza slice, guys. It was delicious.
और हम लोग फिर पानी भरने रात को अपनी ड्यूटी करते हैं. ये हमारा पानी भरने का ड्यूटी. हमने अपना कार्य कर लिया पानी भरने का. शो शानू, मैरिड में रह के पानी भरना पड़ रहा है. ये दिन आ गया.
वो भी
मतलब.
जिम से.
वो भी जिम से, वो भी नीचे से, ग्राउंड फ्लोर के भी नीचे जाके. वाओ.
It's a different view,
Different-
different life, different experience.
एकदम क्या वो तुम सुबह बोल रही थी, इंडिपेंडेंट की तो हद है. हर चीज-
आत्मनिर्भरता की.
हाँ.
Since we walked 18 miles today, which I've never done it before, I think we will be sleeping right away. But thank you so much for loving our vlog, guys. We'll see you tomorrow with another fun vlog because we will be traveling from Manhattan to the Central Park. Till then, bye.